stop exposing the waterline. What does exposing the waterline mean? We'll post a picture in the next video. Exposing the waterline, you're using a shield or a rod to shape the lashes into place. So you have a shield or a rod here, you're lifting the lashes onto the shield or rod, you're applying the solution, the chemical reaction happens, and that's what changes the structure of the hair. When you are flipping the waterline, you are essentially taking the rod or shield out of place. You essentially kind of think of it like this. So the waterline is now flipped and it's taking that rod or shield formation out of play. Ever wonder why you pull the lashes up really, really tight and you think that you're going to get this amazing lash lift, and then the results are really kind of bleh? Check to see if you have flipped the waterline. I promise not flipping the waterline will ensure that your lash lifts will turn out every